Hello and welcome. This is Tec2000 India. In today's video, we are going to use two amazing products, that is Tec2000 Fuel System Cleaner, Tank Additive and Tec2000 Oil Booster. First, let us talk about the fuel system cleaner. With time, dirt and carbon build up inside your car's fuel tank and injectors. This make your car lose pickup, waste more fuel and feel less powerful. But when you use Tech 2000 fuel system cleaner, it removes dirt, clean injectors and make fuel more burn efficiently. Now we will talk about how to use. It is very easy. Just pour one full bottle of Tech 2000 fuel system cleaner directly into your fuel tank and drive as normal. After a few kilometers, you will already feel the difference. Now let us talk about Tech 2000 Oil Booster. Engine oil is the lifeline of your car, but normal oil loses strength when the engine gets hot or run for too long hours. This causes more friction, more heat, and damages the engine over time. Tech 2000 Oil Booster makes your engine stronger. It improves lubrication, reduces friction and heat, and protects the engine from wear and tear. This means your engine lasts longer, runs quieter, gives you a smooth driving experience. How to use? Very simple. When you change your engine oil, add one bottle of Tech 2000 Oil Booster with the fresh oil. That is it. Your engine now gets extra power and extra protection. Now I will tell you why you should use both of them together. The fuel system cleaner takes care of the fuel side and the oil booster takes care of the engine oil side. Together they give complete protection, more mileage, more power and a long engine life.